You are offered a blessing/curse that makes you sneeze directly onto people, but you get $500 each time it happens. You only receive money when the sneeze is caused by the curse, not other random sneezing like sickness, allergies, etc. It will occur an average of once per week. When you sneeze on another person, a wad of mucus/snot will land on the person, and the person will see it happen. You get no money unless this condition is met. The curse will prioritize the sneeze to be directed at people you don't know, but it can still happen on those you do know. If you isolate for a period of time, the curse will attempt to catch you back up once you're back in sneezing range of other people. For example, if you isolate for 2 months, you will start machine gun sneezing on the first stranger you come into contact with. The curse can't be lifted. You either accept the conditions in perpetuity or decline it altogether. Would you accept a nice bump in money for a brief embarrassing moment each week?